Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we'll be looking at this tiny Disney Seiko musical watch which features Eeyore. So we can see the Disney character here on the dial at 6 o'clock. So we no longer have the 6 o'clock hour mark and we have the Disney character on it. The watch case has a small scratch here at 12 o'clock, but other than that the watch looks pretty good. Here on the back we have the markings that this is a Disney Seiko watch. Here we have Disney and then we have the Seiko Marketing International writing, which means this is made by Seiko. So Seiko Marketing International is a subsidiary of Seiko, so you get that Seiko accuracy from their movements. As mentioned, this is a musical watch, so at 2 o'clock you might have already seen that we have an extra watch button that activates the music function. So let's check it out. We have other similar Disney musical watches. So here we have the version with Winnie the Pooh. It also plays a musical song. Here we have one that features Tinkerbell. So this one has a quite different case shape. We have another one that has Tweety from Looney Tunes. So this one is made by Armitron, as the one on the left is made by Seiko, and another one which features Mickey Mouse is this one. So we can see that the blue is quite in theme. This would be a rather light blue, whereas this might be a light purple. So as you can see, we have many variations of these musical watches. You can find either Disney characters or Looney Tunes characters. So if you are interested in finding more about these watches, please make sure to follow the link in the description below. Check out our online store vintageradar.com, as we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. If you enjoyed this video, if you own a similar watch in your childhood or now, please leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, all the best.